Let's find out the value of 3 plus 5 omega plus 3 omega squared whole raised to the power of 6 when 1 omega and omega square are cube roots of unity. Now since they are cube roots of unity, the sum of the roots 1 plus omega square, that's equals to 0, and the product of the root, so that's omega cube, that will be equals to 1. We'll use these two facts to find out the value of this given expression. So let's begin. Now first what we'll do, we'll rewrite our expression as 3 plus, so instead of 5 omega, we'll split it into two parts. So we have 3 omega plus 2 omega plus 3 omega squared whole raised to the power of 6. This is done so that we can take 3 as the common factor from the first, second and the fourth term. So let's do that. So we have 3 multiplied to 1 plus omega squared plus this term 2 omega added to it, raised to the power of 6. Now we know that 1 plus omega square, so that is equals to 0. So we have 3 times 0 plus 2 omega whole raised to the power of 6, or simply 2 omega raised to the power of 6. Now 2 raised to the power of 6, so that's 64 times omega raised to the power of 6. Now omega raised to the power of 6, we can also express that as omega cubed whole squared, and omega cubed, this value is equals to 1. So this will be equals to 64 multiplied to 1 squared, or simply 64. So this is the final answer. That means the value of our given expression, so this will be equals to 64.